Hi guys. You will notice when your timeline is complete, if you have your Google Doc open, it shows you here your assignment completing the timeline. Log in, which I showed you in the other video how to use this. And when it's complete, I'm asking you to post your link here. So what you are going to do, I'm going to show you how to do that. So you need to have this document open and you have to have your timeline open. On your timeline, you will, when you're finished, you will hit the share button. Here you will go to share and you will copy this link. So just click the copy button, it'll say copied, that means it's done. From there, you'll go back to your document to click here to post. So when you click here, the website's underneath, so you'll click on the website. It's going to take you to MyPadlet. It will say Road to Revolution. You can either click on the plus button or to post your assignment or double click anywhere on the screen. So I'm just going to double click here. I'm going to put in my title. I'm going to call it, I'm going to put my name in my title, Mrs. Pace. I'm going to put my title, Road to Revolution. And then down here, I'm going to put my names in the write something. Mrs. Pace. If there's more than one of you that worked on the timeline, you're going to list all of your names in this section here. Title up here, names below, names up here, title below, it makes no difference. And then you'll click on the link and you will paste in your link and hit save. And give it a moment. Hopefully it'll load. And then it should load your link to your timeline and it will be right there. So when I go into grade, I will see everybody's timelines right here on this page, and I will not have to go back and try to find yours or make sure you've shared it with me. So this is how to post. If you have questions, please let me know. Have a great day.